Thinkific Review Usage Experience. Welcome to this Thinkific review. Links to the platform and resources are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Thinkific is one of the most popular online course platforms designed for educators, entrepreneurs, and businesses looking to share knowledge, build a brand, or generate income through digital courses. It's perfect for anyone from solo course creators to companies running large-scale training programs. Thinkific stands out because of its flexibility and user-friendly design. With a drag-and-drop course builder, you can create professional-grade courses without any coding or technical skills. You can upload videos, PDFs, quizzes, and even interactive elements to craft engaging lessons. The platform supports multiple learning formats, including self-paced courses, cohort-based models, and live lessons, catering to diverse teaching styles and learner needs. One of the platform's strongest features is its branding customization. You can design your course website to reflect your brand's style, from colors to layouts, ensuring a seamless connection between your business identity and course offerings. Thinkific also allows custom domains, giving your course a professional, polished appearance. For those looking to monetize their courses, Thinkific offers robust e-commerce tools. You can set up pricing models like one-time payments, subscriptions, or payment plans, and integrate with payment processors like Stripe or PayPal. It also includes marketing tools such as affiliate program options and email campaign integrations, making it easier to promote your courses and grow your audience. From the student perspective, Thinkific provides a smooth and intuitive experience. Learners can access courses on any device, track their progress, and receive certificates upon completion. The platform also supports multiple languages, broadening your audience potential. In summary, Thinkific is a powerful, scalable platform for creating and selling online courses. Its ease of use, customization options, and marketing tools make it a top choice for course creators who want full control over their content and branding. If you're ready to take your course creation to the next level, check out Thinkific using the links in the description below.